In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Podia community. We'll walk through setting up your community space in Podia, getting it ready for engagement, and laying the groundwork to grow and monetize it, all in a clear, simple flow. First, open your Podia dashboard. This is your home base, and you'll find everything you need in the left-hand navigation. Look for community and click it. If you've never created one before, Podia will guide you into the setup screen. Next, choose Create Community. Start by naming your community. Pick something clear and on brand so members instantly know what it's about. Don't stress too much. You can change the name later as your focus evolves. Follow the prompts to activate your community area. Podia will automatically add a few helpful starter pieces like introductory posts and default topics such as general and random. Think of these as placeholders. You can rename, reorganize, or remove them to fit your goals. With the space created, shift to engagement and organization. Add a welcome post and pin it to the top so it's always visible. Use this to share community guidelines, what members can expect, and how to get support. Keep the tone warm and encouraging, and set clear expectations around behavior and posting etiquette. Then create an introductions thread, a simple prompt like, "Tell us who you are, what you're working on, and one goal for this month," helps people break the ice and contributes to an immediate sense of momentum. Organize your discussions with topics. Clear, purposeful topics keep conversations tidy and help members find what they need faster. You can start broad and refine as patterns emerge. Finally, respond consistently. Quick, thoughtful replies show you're present and help model the kind of participation you want. Consider checking in at set times each day and acknowledging new posts to keep energy high. When you're ready to grow, set up free and paid tiers to offer different levels of access and perks. This lets curious members sample the community while giving paying members extra value. You can also bundle community access with your courses or downloads so joining becomes a natural next step after a purchase. Promote your community through your site, email list, and social channels, highlighting outcomes and what members will experience. And don't forget your sales page. Use Podia's Site Builder to clearly communicate who the community is for, what's inside, pricing, and how to join. Add compelling visuals, a friendly tone, and a clear call to action, then preview on mobile to ensure everything looks great. That's it. Your Podia community is live, welcoming, and ready to grow.